Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today's episode is going to be a little different. It's going to be a little shorter than normal, which I'm sure makes some of you happy because I sure can drone on. Um, I had plans on going through a build of some passenger cars that I designed probably over a year ago in Tinkercad. I started filming that video, and while I was doing that, my 3D printer started giving me a fit, actually. If you've been following the channel, you know that I am printing a large manufacturing facility that is over 200 pieces and over 300 hours of print time. So my printer's been running 24/7 for the past couple of weeks, and I've had no issues until last Saturday evening. It has taken me probably a good 4.5 days to sort it out. I've got it printing really well now. In the process, I'm taking a little break on printing the parts and pieces for the manufacturing facility, just getting a little burned out with that. And I decided to design my own coal car. I have a little 10-wheeler that you guys have seen on the channel, just a little 460 steam engine that someday I'd like to put into maybe a coffee table. And I had printed out some 55-ton coal cars that another person had designed. It's these ones here that I had painted. And I like them. They're pretty neat, but I wanted a little more detail, and I wanted it to be my own. So I got into Fusion 360, and I started doing a little designing. And here are multiple iterations of that design. This is the very first print that I did. And when I first started doing this, I was printing everything flat in this card type of print here. And everything had to be taken apart and glued up. I did not like the way I was getting the corners to come together. I didn't like the way I was getting some glue marks. I'll show you that on some of the finished ones I have hooked to my train right now. So I went back in again and changed a little settings on the printer, and I was able to print these as one solid body. Now this again is another iteration of it. I tried printing if you can see real well here, if I get to focus in, maybe not. I tried printing a little brake wheel on there, and it didn't come out as well as I'd like, so I removed that from the print. These ones are just the way I'm making them now. So there's only two pieces to these. It's just the body and the frame. Pretty easy, and as a matter of fact, I don't even need any glue. The frames fit really tight. You have to do just a little trimming, a little filing to get a nice snug fit. So let's move the camera here and bring the train on around the corner. It's my little test track on my workbench. Okay. As you can see, the first three cars here have all that nasty glue in them. The last two are my final production ones I'm going to be using. Let me back her up here. So that's what I've been working on. Just printing a bunch of these up. It take about 2.5 hours to print the body and another hour to print the frame. But I think it's 15 cents is what it's costing me in filament to print each car. You can't beat that. Now, I haven't painted these or anything like that yet. I'm going to wait until I start painting the coach cars. I can paint everything at one time. I probably won't weather these until I get ready to actually put them on the layout, and I can match them with the locomotives, weather them together, so to speak. So with that, have a good one, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.